Hello, today we are assembling cube parts. There are 20 parts, so let's assemble it. Yes, now corner pieces. Last two. Yes, so now we completed white. Let's move up on red and blue and all these second layer parts. Here is red and blue, green and orange, and blue and orange, and yes, and red and green. Yes, now the yellow parts. One more. Yes, now last corner pieces. Last corner piece. And done. Yes, now it's solved. Let's see. Wow. Now we will check its speed. Yes, it is nice. Okay, bye. Subscribe to Advika Masti channel, and for new Rubik Cube video, like this video and subscribe too. Bye.